I am a mother. I am a mother to 4 black children in America, one of whom is 18 years old. And when I saw the murder of George Floyd, I hurt like a mother would hurt. And on yesterday, when I heard there were rumors about violent protests in Atlanta, I did what a mother would do. I called my son and I said, "Where are you?" I said, "I cannot protect you, and black boys shouldn't be out today." So what I see happening on the streets of Atlanta is not Atlanta. This is not a protest. This is not in the spirit of Martin Luther King Jr. This is chaos. A protest has purpose. When Dr. King was assassinated, we didn't do this to our city. You're not protesting anything running out with brown liquor in your hands, breaking windows in this city. So when you burn down this city, you're burning down our community. If you want change in America, go and register to vote. You are disgracing our city. You are disgracing the life of George Floyd and every other person who has been killed in this country. Go home. Go home.